Tonight, $9 million payout. Former Petrojam HR severance package creates stir in PAC and Parliament. Spalding chaos. Controversial police shooting of bus drivers sparks unrest. And why bus operators in downtown Kingston want security.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green is here with a preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, the legal appeal by telecoms company Symbiote, which trades as Carousel, it's heating up. We spoke with company representatives today. We'll have the details in the business day.
And from business, we go to sports. Spencer Darlington, what's happening?
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, there's an interim coach in place at the moment for the West Indies senior men's team. The search continues, though, for a permanent candidate, and we understand that individual could very well come from the Caribbean. Tell you more later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your reaction to the revelation that former human resource manager at Petrojam, received a $9.2 million separation package after 18 months in the job?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.